Well, hello you lot. Welcome to this fantastic episode of Nutjob.com Print Factory Special. Kinda. We put some graphics on a van, but a very special van. We put some graphics on the Slaughterhouse Customs T5. Swampert T5. I had a go at putting some graphics on the van. Not very successfully. Ben had a go at putting some graphics on the van. Not very successfully. But with the help from the boys who actually know what they're doing, it actually ended up going very well. And we had lots of food. And the police got involved. Check it out. I've just had a call from Ben at Slaughterhouse. They are imminent. So hopefully, if we open the roller, we might see him arriving. We're going to sign write some vans. Mind you, with Ben's navigational skills, we will wait and see. They said they were just around the corner. The boys have arrived. Hello! With another one in tow. Ben surprisingly on time. This must be Fagging Mouth Craig.
Fagging Mouth Craig, that's me.
How are you guys? How are you?
How are you?
I don't know who they are.
Very good, well, fella. Thank you very much.
Bit of bumping going
Lovely to see
on.
you guys as well.
Benny is here today with us.
Today.
Oh,
That's
sorry.
probably mine, you know.
It's a VW, don't complain.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah,
VW, don't worry about it.
I'll look into that later. So we're here to sign write
Yes.
this lovely Swampert T5. Look at her.
That's looking slick.
Look, it's even been washed.
I did wash it, but it is a little bit dirty.
That's all right. Ben, don't scratch it, mate.
I won't, look at this
Dun, 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 dun. It's in, Vero.
Nice.
So this man here is responsible for starting these graphics off. And we've played around with it.
That's it.
So that's this design. And this is the side design.
Perfect, love it.
That is it. What do you reckon, Vero? Should we get kettle on?
Yep.
Got a job. T-boy.
Oh.
T-boy, me.
Hey. So, apparently, you work for Sweets.
I do
Craig
work
works
for
for
Sweets. Hey, Maltesers. There you go.
That do it?
That's mine.
Yeah.
That's mine.
There we go.
Yeah.
Well, Ben, do you want to go and see where this all happened?
Yeah, let's go, come on.
All right. Let's go and have a look.
Where are we going?
Oh, look, pasty eating. The pasty eaters are in there.
And two drinks.
Oh, look, John's on the pasty brigade over there. Good job of seeing him working hard in the paint room. Come and have a look in the proper room.
Let's go.
Keep shut. Whoa. Whoa, as if by timing. Casper! Dun, 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 dun. Check it out. There you go. There's your one. It's gone.
Sweet.
See them doing. Oh look.
Very cool. And that is
So that's going under this.
very cool.
Right. Ben, this is where the designy stuff happens. Don't often get to go in here because I get told off, but we'll go straight through. Ready? They're like designer people. Look. And then, right over there, there's a lesser spotted Vero over there. That's a nice looking T5, isn't it?
What one?
It's a different one I'm looking at. Do you know these guys?
What? No, I heard of them.
Do you realise now that means you have to drive sensibly?
I know.
I'm as happy as a pig in shit doing sign right. Sorry. I miss sign writing.
You almost look like you know what you're doing.
I think so.
Don't ask me, I don't know what I'm doing. I can't even read.
Ben,
Yeah,
did you remember those things?
I did. I know.
Here, we're missing, and you found me some.
I found some.
These are the side pods that go with the big bumpers for the TriStar. And I could not find them for love nor money. And Benny Boy has a set.
There we go.
Oh, Ben, you're a legend, mate. So, these are, for you lot, what we've been waiting for to finish off the TriStar. And Ben has helped us out, thank you, mate. Show you where they go. TriStar's right here. Well, you know, obviously, but for you lot at home, check that out. Wicked. Job done.
Open up, it's the police. No, it's worse, it's Storehouse Customs.
Uh-oh.
It's a very nice office. I like it.
You're in the boudoir.
The boudoir.
Boudoir. So, lunch.
Lunch. On us.
On you?
On us, yeah, on me. I know, right?
Wheelies.
Rare treat.
Wheelies, Kath.
Sorry.
Right. Should we go and see Jazz and John? See what they say. When we say the word wheelies.
Wheelies? Oh, I thought you said something else.
The animals are in here, look.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Oh, look, still.
Animals.
Oh, eating.
Jazz is being artistic.
No, don't film it.
No, do film it.
No, don't film it.
Oh, classic. I wish my wife was this dirty. I love Ben. Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yours. Right, cool.
John spends most of his time over this van.
I do not.
Look,
It's an heirloom.
like black.
Heirloom. No, there's just to cover up the rusty bits. To be fair, until I paint it. It will
So,
be painted.
have you not seen that lovely caddy out in the car park, then?
That is a beautiful caddy out in the car park, but let's go have a look.
Yeah, come on. Caddy.
It's long time as well. That way.
Auto, right-hand drive.
Ooh.
No, left-hand drive.
Left-hand
Auto, left-hand drive. And
Big bumpers.
tax exempt.
Tax exempt.
MOT exempt.
Very cool.
1979 or something like that. For sale.
For sale.
Have you noticed there's a theme here, Ben? We're having a little bit of a clear out.
We have a bit of clear out.
Oh, look at that big orange thing on. There's a big orange thing going on.
There's an orange thing.
Oh, should we have a look at this?
Does look good.
Oh, food.
Food. Let's get some food.
We just come in. Look, oh, that looks good. And then go, food.
Yeah.
Check this out, right? Paul, wheelies.
Yes, please.
What do you want?
Turbo red, please.
Turbo red.
Turbo. What the hell's a turbo red?
Sausage edge bacon in a baguette.
With choice of sauce.
Wheelies.
I'm good.
I don't ask about if you're good if we go to wheelies.
Yeah, no, I'm alright.
Really?
Yeah, I've just.
Is that because you're worried that Lindsay's going to see this?
Well, no, because I've got my lunch for me today.
Proper lunch.
Proper lunch.
Oh. Where's John? Where's he hiding? Let's go find him.
Ooh, TriStar.
You have these on already? They're original ones, aren't they?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh, you're in here still.
Oh, no, I'm alright, thank you very much.
John, wheelies.
I'm good, actually. I had to roll.
Two. Oh, this normally you come in here.
Yeah, normally we'd be
Like
smashing
turbo red,
turbo red, turbo brown.
Right, okay, so this is going to
Thank
be
you,
a
love.
cheap date. See, all I want is breakfast.
What? Sorry.
And all of a
Wait,
sudden-
you're mad into Russ. What is that?
It's got food there.
Oh, okay.
All I want is breakfast, and these boys. Right, I'm going to go and pull my teeth out. It's more interesting than talking about piston rings on a T25. Ben, have you got a girlfriend?
Yeah, I saw that.
I'm V60.
That right.
You've got 20, what do you mean?
Yeah, Lauren.
Lauren, how do you put up with this? 1.9. No, I wouldn't do a 1.9. Do a 2.1. Is that your pillow talk?
What happens is she normally spends loads of money on furniture and like, rearranges the place at least once a week. And I just put the bill for it and then, you know, but then I get to stay at work, so it works well, really, you know.
So, if that is the case, if you are watching, Slaughterhouse Customs got special deals going on. They'll do major discounts because they've got to get the money in to pay for furniture. There you go.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
So this entire video is about us wrapping your van,
Yes.
and we spent more time trying to organise food.
Yes, that is true.
Priorities.
That's-
Isn't that a main priority, Sean?
yeah.
Jeez.
Okay, boys and girls, dinner time.
Proper. Check it out. Food.
Nice. Oh, check it out.
So that's the horse box design.
Looky that. New partners, Raptor and Maxis.
Nice.
Benji! Very fat.
Get that in there, Craig. You haven't actually cleaned the roof of your van, have you?
I might not. I'm very embarrassed. to
Bringing
say.
in these dirty.
Oops.
But we could do with something on the roof of that.
Could do, couldn't it?
Should we go and design something?
Let's do something. Let's do it.
Design.
Let's do it.
Should we go and design? Let's go and design. We're going to go and design. We're going in. Ben's going to do it.
I'm going to do it. Be right, fine. What could possibly go wrong?
What do we do? We didn't do very well.
No.
We can't find the vinyl, and well, yeah, we can't find the vinyl. That's probably quite a good start. So we're going to go find someone that knows what they're doing. Oh, sorry, Ben. Caspers, can we pinch you because we've failed miserably?
Yes.
Right, let's do it. We were never going to find that vinyl because they've hidden it in the never to be seen again room. Oh look, there's loads of stuff in here.
What's cheapest?
But then it's
The other one.
Yeah, but then
the
on the
other one.
roof it's going to have, eventually you're going to have a roof rack, aren't you?
And a load of bird.
Yeah. We'll go the other one.
Yeah, I think you should always do 69 on the roof.
Yeah, I do.
Do you want SHC?
Oh, that's quite a good idea, actually.
Sorry, Casp. He just changed his mind.
Sorry.
There we go. That's what we've ended up with. So, yeah, we get that on the roof. We better go and clean it, actually. Ben, I've got the idea that actually Craig's not going to need a ladder to do the other side.
Yeah, just
So, can you just reach the roof then? Yes. Pretty much. This side. Big ladder.
I need a ladder.
Go and see how he's getting on with the roof graphic. Check it out from screen to. Look at that. Police vehicle 069, come in. What you got?
Stickers!
Hey. Oh, I wonder who made that. The trouble is done. Boys on it.
What could possibly go wrong?
Concentration on there.
Oh no! Whose bright idea was it to let the moron play?
No bubbles, Ben. No bubbles, Ben.
No bubbles, Ben.
No bubbles, Ben.
Oh, Benji!
Oh, Banter.
Oh, Benji!
Banter.
Oh, Benji!
We had another go at doing a graphic. Let's have a look.
No.
And what have we done?
It looks amazing.
That went really well.
Yeah. It was. No. It's beautiful. Look at this.
It's Friday.
Look at this.
And it's done.
It looks amazing.
There you go.
This boy's done a fantastic job. Like, it looks really good.
Well, this.
Wicked. Yeah, not so much that, but the van looks crazy. And it's got the phone.
Oh, look.
Whoop, whoop. Is there sound on up, please?
I think you might get into trouble.
I don't know what you're talking about. You're fine.
There we go. That was a Friday afternoon playing with the lads from Storehouse Customs. That sounds so wrong.
Way.
We've got this fantastic graphic that Craig designed up with these boys, and it's come out really well, hasn't it?
Well, really well. Looks
So,
awesome.
boys are done. Our lads seem to know what they were doing as well.
I know.
That's not normally the way, is
I
it?
know. Friday afternoon job. One of them.
I think Friday afternoon, Friday evening also calls for beverage. Beer o'clock.
Beer o'clock.
Cheers all. See you boys. Bye bye.
No, it's much
Was it-
ruder,
what
much
was it?
worse.
Oh, do it to me, big boy Ben. I can never remember which one it is.
That's going in.
Sorry.
Oh, Benji!
Oh, Banter.
Oh, Benji!
Don't you dare!